Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on some interesting facts about strings in Python. In Python, strings are immutable. Once a string is defined, it cannot be changed. Like in this program, we have a string A and then we try to modify the second element of the string. This causes an error. We get a type error, that is, string object does not support item assignment because strings are immutable in Python. In this program, we try to add another string to A. The interpreter makes a copy of the original string and then works on it. A is equal to A plus 4 doesn't change the string A. It reassigns the value A to the new string generated by the result and drops the previous string. Now we will see three ways to create strings. Strings in Python can be created using single quotes or double quotes or a triple quote. Triple quotes are used when we have to write a string in multiple lines. In this program, we create a string using single quotes. We create string B using double quotes, and then we create string C using triple quotes. Then we print all the strings. Output of string A is geeks, output of string B is for, and output of string C is geeks, a portal for geeks, in the order that it was mentioned in the string. Then we finally concatenate all the strings. And the final output that we get is GeeksforGeeks, a portal for geeks. How to print single quote or double quote on string? First method is to use escape character to display the additional quote. So in this case, welcome to Geeks for Geeks will be displayed in double quotes. The second way is by using mixed quote. That is, when we want to print single quote, then use double quotes as delimiter and vice versa. In this case, single quotes are the delimiters and loving it will be displayed in double quotes. Now, how to access individual characters of a string? We can do this using the syntax string name index position. x2 will print the third character, that is 0, 1, 2, that is it will print E. x7 will print the x6 will print the seventh character, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, A. X minus 3 will print the third character from the last. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, it will print O. Then, if we try to print x15, we will get index error as length of string is only 10 and we are trying to access the 15th character. Slicing. To extract the substring from the whole string, then we use the syntax like string name, beginning, end, step. Beginning represents the starting index of the string, end denotes the end index of the string which is not inclusive, and steps denote the distance between two words. The example will make it clear. x2 to 5 will print from index 2 to 4 only. That is, we get below here I have mentioned the indexes. So we will print from 2 to 4 and we get L, C and O. Here by default the step size was 1. x4, 10, 2 will print from index 4 to 9 with step size of 2. So fourth is O, then we will skip M, then we will print E, we skip the space, then we print T, and ninth one will again be skipped. So we get OET. x minus 5 to minus 3, in this case we will print from the last minus 5 to minus 3, that is G E. Minus third one will not be printed as the ending is not inclusive. So we get only minus 5 and minus fourth index, that is G and E. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.